Purim is coming up next week. It's a festival where Jewish people remember Haman and Mordechai and Esther, where Haman wanted to murder all the Jews in a big genocide. And there's a play on words because Yom Kippur is also known as Yom Hakipurim. So how come the most awesome day in the Jewish calendar, Yom Kippur, is associated with the happiest day? The reason is because the king asked Esther, "What's wrong?" And Esther said, "Haman, your vizier, your top guy, is going to murder all the Jews." She poured out her heart to the king. And the king listened. And he hung Haman instead of allowing Haman to murder all the Jews. And in a similar way, on Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, it's the day when Jewish people pour out their hearts to God and say, "God, please forgive me for my sins. Please allow me to live for another year. Please allow me to atone. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. Please allow me to continue for another year." And so Purim and Yom Hakipurim, Yom Kippur, have something in common, which is that in one case, a woman pours out her heart to a king. And on Yom Kippur, Yom Hakipurim, each of us individually pour out our heart to another king, the King of the universe, God.